Hi everyone, this is Scott, and this is our new flat pack SteakAger that we've been working hard on. And this is what's arriving on your doorstep. You can see that everything's layered in there. And as I remove each piece, I'll explain to you what they are. This is the control deck. It contains the LCD and the fans and the sensors to run the SteakAger. These are the racks that support the unit. There will be a power supply, a bag of parts, which I'll get to in a minute. There will be a 12-foot extension DC extender cable. This is the base plate. This is the back plate. You can tell the two apart because one has the drip tray. There will be a clear cover. Two end plates, a left and a right. Okay. The instructions, 2 thread rods, and a satchel of salt. Okay, so these are the blower deck bolts. These are the thread rod caps. So we'll use those in order, and I'll show you how it's done right now. Okay, so the way the SteakAger flat pack is designed, you have the end panels left side and you have end panels right side, and you can see grooves where the blower deck slides into. Okay, so here's how we assemble it. The fan side down. We line the holes up. Make sure it's in the grooves. And we hand tighten the end panel bolts. You can use a screwdriver, but don't over tighten. There's no need for any power tools or anything with this. Okay, we flip it over, we make sure it's in the grooves, and you make sure it's at the back. Okay, so we align the holes, make sure it's in the grooves, and put the other fasteners on. Again, hand tight. Okay, so now we're ready to put the back plate in. So, smooth side goes to the inside of the SteakAger. This is the slot for the cable right here. So, we line it up with this angle slot right here, and we put the cable through the little slot right there, and snap it closed. Okay? So that's what it looks like. Okay, so now we're ready for the threaded rod, the rod cover, and the cap nuts. So, thread rod, rod cover, cap nut. So we put one on the end, all the way in. Okay, then we insert it through the hole in the side, put it into the rod cover. Now we're ready to put the other side on. Just not tight, doesn't have to be. Okay, so we've got the back plate in, thread rod in, and thread rod cover in. We want to make sure that we're flush with these grooves. Okay, so you might have to push a little bit, but we want to make sure that's a nice transition. We're ready to put the bottom plate on. So, what that looks like is here's the bottom plate, the drip tray to the inside. We insert it into the grooves on the sides. and slide it all the way to the bottom. And then we snap the corners in. There we have it. It's done. The last job, we're going to put the last thread rod in. Put the nut on. Okay, so we're done. We're ready for the racks. Upper rack. This is the window. Peel the film off, put it into slots. We're done.